Hi, my name's Rob Thomas and I'm here today in my basement in my lab doing my first video ever. The point of this video is to show people that all these machines work. You will see Ionizer review type websites on the internet that try and convince you that they are all unbiased, but they're not unbiased. They're paid for by the sites that have the best results. The results are really easy to manipulate. I'm not interested in that. I retired from the business in February of 2010. I've continued researching and writing about my findings on my blog, which you can find at www.waterfyi.com. That's waterfyi.com. The point of this exercise today is to show you these machines all work. They're all great. Dr. McCullough has come out and said these machines don't work, they're even dangerous. That's ridiculous. I myself have been drinking ionized water for over 3 years, and I've talked to hundreds or perhaps even thousands of people that have had terrific benefits from drinking the water. Normally, normally people on the review sites use these little meters. They're pH ORP meters. They're great. They give you very, very defined and sensitive readings of the pH and ORP. The problem is it takes a long time to get these things set up. Each ORP meeting, to be accurate, takes 5 minutes, and to be honest, these things are quite finicky and need to be calibrated and recalibrated. We're not going to do that today. What we're going to do today is we're going to use pH drops, pH reagent drops, and you simply put a couple drops into tap water, and hopefully it'll turn the tap water green, indicating that the source water is between a pH of 7 and 7.5. We've set these different ionizers at level 3, which should generate a pH of about 9.5, which should turn the water purple when we put these things in. Let's get started. We'll start, I have a little chart here that reads TAP for tap water, Tyant, which is the Tyant MMP7070, Chanson for the Chanson Miracle, EOS for the EOS Platinum, the Enagic for the Enagic SD501. These are all top-of-the-line or virtually top-of-the-line machines. They're all 7-plate machines because I'm trying to do an equal or a fair comparison between them all. The last machine that we'll be testing today is the new AlkaStream, whereas the other 4 are electric water ionizers that produce ionization from electrolysis. This little guy here produces ionization from running water across minerals, and it naturally produces the ionization. So we'll start by taking tap water. There's the tap water. Now we'll take the Tyant Turbo 7070. I'll turn on the Chanson while we're waiting. Okay, so we'll do, this is the Tyant is set at level 3, which should be 9.5. We'll put that one in there. And we'll turn that off. Now we'll take the Chanson. I'm just cleaning out the test tubes. We'll just turn the Chanson down a little bit. Whoops, the volume's a little high. You can manipulate these things by the results from these things with water flow. I'm not interested in that. You'll see when you see the results that these things all produce great results. So there's the Chanson. Now I'll turn, sorry for turning my back on you. Now we'll turn on the EOS Platinum. We'll just wait for the water to come. Okay, and again, that's much faster than the other ones. So I'll turn this down to a flow rate of about 1.5. They're all about 1.5 liters per minute. Okay, so we'll try this is the EOS Platinum. Okay, we'll put that one in there. And we'll turn him off. Now we'll do the Enagic SD501. You can hear the machine say Kangen water, 9.5. They're all set at level 3 to give 9.5 water. Okay, here we go. The Kangen is this little machine here. The water's coming out of there. Okay, and that will do it for all of those. Now finally what we're going to do is we're going to do the little AlkaStream, the antioxidant filter. This is the one that was the new model, the new technology that was introduced last year that produces the ionization just from naturally from running water across minerals. Okay, we've got that. So now we have all of our test tubes full of water from the different machines. We'll just dump a little bit out of that one. These don't have to be exactly the same. They're just, if you were really doing clinical testing, you'd make sure there's the exact number of drops, the exact amount of water. What we have done is we've used the same source water at the same time and the same temperature. We're trying to take away as many variables as possible, but I don't want this to be a long video. So here's the tap water, the Tyant, the Chanson, the EOS, the Enagic, the AlkaStream. Now, I don't know how well you can see these on video. I put white paper in behind, but I'll give them all a shake. You can see that's definitely green, showing about 7.4, 7.5 pH. There's the Tyant Turbo, beautiful purple, 9.5. Beautiful purple from the Chanson. I must have put an extra drop or two in there because it's a little darker. Beautiful purple from the EOS. Beautiful purple from the Enagic. Beautiful purple from the AlkaStream. So what does all this mean? It doesn't mean that any one of these machines is any better or any worse than the other machines for producing the health benefits from drinking ionized water. They all work. They're all great. So what differentiates these machines? Well, there's a couple of things. One of them is the price, and the other one is what the filters take out of the water. The Tyant Turbo is $19.95. That's $1,995. The Chanson is $1,650. The EOS Platinum is $1,695. The Enagic, the one that's most famous through the multi-level marketing company, it is $3,980. The little AlkaStream is $299. So you can see there's a huge differentiation in the price. There's the other variable that differentiates these machines is what they take out of the water, and all the electric water ionizers basically remove sediment, which is the big chunks. And you don't see these big chunks. It's up to anything bigger than 5 microns they'll take out of the water, which you can't even see by the naked eye. So they take out sediment and they take out chlorine. That's the chlorine's used to clean the contaminants out of the water, the nasty things that can make you sick. So the little AlkaStream is actually first and foremost a filter, and it removes the same sediment and chlorine, but it also removes chloramines and fluoride that municipalities will put in the water, and they're quite nasty, and it's great to get them removed out of the water. They also remove heavy metals. They remove lead and mercury. They remove the volatile organic compounds, the VOCs, and they also remove the THMs, the trihalomethanes, which are carcinogens, cancer-causing substances that are in the water. That's it. Thanks for watching.